This video walks you through how to build a powerful Notion to-do list. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page that will hold your task system. This gives you one dedicated place for everything you need to track. Once the new page is open, move to the option to create a new database and choose a table. A table database works well for a to-do list because each row can hold one task, while the columns store the details that help you sort and review your work. With the table in place, begin adding the properties you want to use. Set up a task property for the task name, then add properties for status, priority, due date, category, and notes. These fields will shape how the list works, so it is worth naming them clearly from the start. Status can show where a task stands, priority can separate urgent work from lower priority items, due date tracks timing, category helps group similar work, and notes gives you space for extra context. After the structure is ready, start entering your tasks. Click New for each item you want to add, then fill in the related properties as you go. Add the task name, choose its current status, assign a priority, enter a due date if there is one, select a category, and include notes when a task needs more detail. If a task does not need every field right away, you can still add it now and update the rest later. Next, create multiple views so you can look at the same database in different formats. Click New View and add views such as Board, Calendar, and List. The Board view is useful for seeing tasks by stage. The Calendar view places work by due date, and the List view gives you a more compact way to scan everything. These views all pull from the same database, so changes in one view appear in the others. Once the views are set up, organize the tasks using Filter, Sort, and Group. Use filters to focus on a certain status, priority level, due date range, or category. Use sorting when you want tasks arranged in a specific order, such as by approaching due date or by priority. Use grouping when you want similar tasks collected together, which can make a busy list easier to review. Then open View Settings to customize how the database appears. This is where you can adjust the layout, choose which properties stay visible, and apply conditional colors if that fits the way you work. Property visibility matters because it keeps each view focused on only the details you need in that moment. To keep the system useful, return to it regularly. Update task statuses as work moves forward, add new tasks when they come up, and revise due dates when plans change. A to-do list works best when the information reflects what is current. Your Notion to-do list is now set up with a table database, task properties, multiple views, and organization tools